Hey, first fish today. First fish today. This guy's gonna be a bait. Woo! Got a bait in the boat. Hey.
Pick that shit up.
Fishing of Gabe Feldman today.
Right by that sign.
Right by that sign we threw a live shrimp.
Ooh.
It ate it instantly. Came through with the live shrimp.
Giant ones too. There's some
Good, yeah, pretty decent like live shrimp. This is our shrimp we're gonna be using today. We already got the ladyfish on it right now. We got it on a split shot and like a 3/0 octopus hook. Or circle hook, my bad.
Yeah. Oh, I got one.
Really?
Feels like a jack.
Jack?
Feels like it. I don't know what it is. Feels like a catfish.
Oh no. No, bro. No, bro.
Switch up. This is not gonna switch to happen. Okay, at least it's a gaff for sale.
Yeah, it fought pretty good actually. For the
They
cat.
fight twice as hard.
Is it though?
Oh, it is. Yeah.
Oh, it's a big one, dude. Ooh! It just realized it was hooked, dude.
Oh.
It just realized it was hooked.
They actually fight.
Yeah, it just realized it was hooked just now. Yeah, there it goes, dude. It's nowhere near done, dude.
The gaff sales fight hard.
It didn't even know it was hooked yet. That was a good fight, bro. That's worth it.
I'm not touching it.
Yeah, don't touch it. Oh, nice one.
Not even that big.
Got another gaff tip tail with a real G. Ooh, it's a ladyfish, dude.
Oh, he's a ladyfish?
Yeah.
Where is he?
Right there. He's heavy. He's heavy, dude.
Ooh. Dude, this bite is on fire right now. Oh, it's a big one. Did it get eaten by something else?
No.
This is a big lady.
It's a big ladyfish. Dang. Dang, dude. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out.
That was a good finesse.
Ooh, it's a big one, dude.
Oh my god.
It's giant.
This is a 10-pounder.
It's giant. Dang, bro! Woo! It's not a tarpon. Looks like a tarpon.
You thought it was a tarpon.
It's a poor man's tarpon.
Poor man's tarpon. I was about to say that. Oh!
Look how big it is,
my
dude.
God. It's like twice as big as that one. Look at that stud.
Look at that. Dude, I've never had ladyfish fight that hard
They
before.
fight amazing. They fight like a tarpon.
They really do, dude. Poor man's tarpon, bro.
He was going everywhere.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at this, dude.
Think I can top that?
Do slow-mo.
You gonna let it go?
Look at this ladyfish we caught, guys. This is kind of stuff we're catching out here. We're using this for some big redfish, big snook, cut it in little chunks. Throw it out there in the inlet, do maybe like a 2-ounce weight. A big ladyfish, bro. It's a big ladyfish, dude. Did you see that jump, bro?
That was epic.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. He's coming around, he's coming around. Oh, dude, he's bigger than the last one, dude. He's huge. He's huge. Turn it off, dude. Oh, he's huge.
Really quick.
He's huge. He's huge. Look at that, dude. Nice ladyfish. Nice.
Fighting, dude. We don't want to come in this boat.
Nice.
Let that one go. We already got plenty.
Oh yeah. Nice, dude. Look how big this thing is, dude. Look at that, bro.
Oh my god.
Look at that, bro.
Holy crap.
Look at this thing, dude.
You sure you don't want to go back out there for a minute? Just crank the trolling motor off and then
That's what I'm saying, dude. Let's slowly troll. Let's slowly troll. This is the key.
Dude, hold him up for...
This is by far the biggest one.
Oh my god. Look at that thing.
This.
We already got so many space.
He's off in an instant. Instantly on.
Our sport fish. I don't care what you say. Oh, I'm gonna bite.
Got him, Dom. Oh, we got him. Oh, we got him.
Hooked up again. That's not a ladyfish though.
Not?
I don't know. Feels like a catfish. That's a jack. Yeah.
That's good fighters.
We're getting all the multi-species today, dude. Nothing much more game than lady fishing jack though. Wait, there might be some snapper right here.
Let's see if my bait's underneath it. That was pretty fun.
Oh sh! What is that?
Oh, you got something, dude. It's a snapper, bro.
Hey!
Small, though.
Is that too small? Yeah, it's not 12. Almost though.
Hey, it's close.
We got one double that size. When we were pulling the boat up, dude, right there, didn't waste a single damn shrimp. Yeah, don't let him bite you, bro. I don't know, he might be 12.
Nice.
Yeah.
Mr. Collins, what are we doing today?
We haven't been catching any fish yet.
Is that so? Is it on?
Get him, dude.
Oh, this broke your line, dude. There's nothing on there.